Day 2 on Virgin Voyages cruise is a sea day, slowly cruising along the coast of Cuba towards our first destination. So to make the most of and to see what the whole cruise offers, we started wandering and we started from deck 7, which is the most happening place on the cruise. Deck 7 is the place where we had the shopping arena, the duty free, and the obvious choice, obviously, everybody wants as a casino. Beautiful bars lined across the windows. One thing I did figure out, the choice of champagne is definitely a Moët Chandon on every cruise. To keep the travelers entertained during the sea days, they have the entertainment rooms. One of the most popular one was a red room, which would offer something like this. Eat as much as you can, ice cream parlors or the pizza place. The best thing about Virgin Voyages is that they don't do a buffet, which reduces the waste, which was definitely a light. It was amazing to see how people would wake up so early to go for their Zumba classes or exercise classes.
Roll it up. There we go. Reach up and down and roll to the floor. Bend your knees straight and up and twerk.
Even though it was not popular, but this was definitely liked by all of us. It was called a test kitchen, where they would try Michelin type of food and dishes, which we liked it. Topmost deck with sun lounges, and there was this net thing which was on the 15th deck, and one can appreciate the height where I was standing. The top deck offered a walking path or a running track, which was our favorite because we used to spend a lot of time walking on that in the evening. Deck 7, the dock house, was our favorite hangout, and one can really appreciate the height of the cruise liner from this deck, going all the way to deck 16. And that is, of course, my beer, the chilled beer, sitting there with a nice view of the sea on the backdrop. So that's how we spent the day 2 on sea, roaming around every deck, every possible site on the cruise liner. And this is the topmost deck in the evening, where both the swimming pool areas were well lit with a lot of music.